Welcome back to Global Deal Explorer. It's 2026 and traditional bulky multimeters with confusing dials are officially a thing of the past. If you're a US DIYer, hobbyist, or pro electrician, you need speed, accuracy, and smart features. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 smart multimeters of 2026 that will completely revolutionize your workbench. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the BSIDE A10 digital multimeter. If portability is your priority, this is a game changer. Designed like a sleek pocket smartphone, the A10 features a striking color LCD screen that makes reading data effortless even in pitch-black workspaces. It's fully rechargeable via USB, so say goodbye to buying 9-volt batteries. Don't let its size fool you. It handles capacitance, diodes, duty cycles, and frequency like a champ. It's the ultimate everyday carry voltmeter for quick, hassle-free diagnostics. Check the link in the description to grab yours. At number 4, we step into the future with the ANENG 683 Smart Touch Multimeter. This is where high-end styling meets pure functionality. ANENG has eliminated the classic physical dial entirely, replacing it with a premium, highly responsive touch interface and a 6,000-count reverse VA display. Its automated smart mode instantly senses whether you're testing AC, DC voltage, or resistance, adapting instantly without manual switching. Encased in a rugged anti-drop silicone sleeve and packed with a Type-C rechargeable battery, it combines cutting-edge style with reliable protection. It's perfect for creators who want a modern look on their bench. If absolute precision is what your projects demand, number 3 is your answer. The ANENG AN870 Digital Professional Multimeter. This tool is built for the meticulous technician. Boasting a massive 19,999 count resolution, its accuracy in measuring tiny millivolt and microamp variations is unmatched in this price tier. It features non-contact voltage detection for ultimate safety, alongside robust temperature, resistance, and capacitance testing. The build quality feels solid and industrial, making it a reliable workhorse for precision electronics repair, solar panel testing, or deep automotive diagnostics. Moving to number 2, we introduce a legend in the engineering world, the UNI-T UT61 series, UT61B+, D+, and E+. When your safety and industrial performance are on the line, UNI-T is the brand pros trust. Featuring true RMS and a heavy-duty 1,000-volt AC-DC threshold, this beast is built for high-energy environments. The UT61E Plus variant brings top-tier 22,000-count precision and high-speed data logging directly to your PC via USB. Its internal safety fuses are industrial grade, ensuring you are fully protected against unexpected surges. This is a premium investment for serious builders, engineers, and professional electricians. And finally, sitting securely at the number 1 spot as the ultimate king of 2026, the ZOI ZT703S 3-in-1 oscilloscope multimeter. This isn't just a meter, it's an entire diagnostic laboratory in the palm of your hand. It masterfully combines a dual-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope, a 25,000-count high-precision multimeter, and a waveform generator into one flawless device. The gorgeous 3.5-inch IPS display delivers crisp, daylight-readable graphs with an incredible 280 megasamples per second sampling rate. Whether you are debugging complex audio gear, building robotics, or diagnosing advanced machinery, the ZT703S offers performance that usually costs thousands of dollars. It is the ultimate tool for 2026. Which one of these smart tools is going on your workbench? All the official AliExpress links are pinned in the description below with the best active deals. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Global Deal Explorer for more premium tech breakdowns, and leave a comment below on your favorite choice. See you in the next video!